Today I'm going to continue from the first part. So this is our second part. So our first part is up to here. We will bring in a file, an Excel file, and we do some editing and others, so we can refer the previous parts. So today I'm going to discuss all about our pivot, and for which I need to add one more table. So we merge the two tables and see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to call this is our stock data. Okay, I'm going to call this one, and I'm going to transform it. Then it brings the data to the Excel, and here is my data. So I will see if there's anything that I need to edit as previous time, like this one, nulls. I will remove columns. So we have here, and we have here the two datas, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to the Power Pivot, then manage. Here we have the two datas, B and A, and then I will go to the diagram. So here we have if we can see, depending on our data and our data file and how it's going to work. So we have depending on our interest. For example, in our case, we have the two data can be similar in somehow, so that the data can be synchronized. So I take ID from here and connect it to ID. So each one will be connected one to the other. So I'm going to save this. And close. So we have the data now. Then, as we saw in the relationship, or normally called the modeling tab, we already connected the two sheets. As you can see here, worksheets are connected one to the other. So I'm going to into the Power Pivots. I'm going to insert, then pivot table, and previously in the normal if one Excel sheet, you can generate it from one sheet or else from external source. But in our case, from the data modeling, I need to put it in the new worksheet. So I say okay. So this is what we have. So we have table 1 and table 2, table A and B. So I can open that as we do for any tables. We select whatever we want for one table, and since we already connect the two tables, we can call anything and add it to the existing table. This one, for example, this one is source dry, this sum of ID, sum of case number, created date. So we can add like case number from the table B status, and here we can see the case number for which one has some kind of connection, and we can further get further information. And this two is coming from stock B table, and the rest of the data comes from the stock A table. So we can access from one table to another tables, and when the data becomes large, you don't need to check. For example, this ID is presented in stock A and also stock B. Likewise, you can see, for example, stock A, we have two cases for each one, and these two cases have similar scenarios in the two tables. So one is consumed and another is created. So likewise, we can connect and see the whole thing working seamlessly. Thank you, and please subscribe, and if you have comments, you can put below for next.